morning, I'm Fabiola from PT Wing Surya. I'm as head of administration. The previous presentation, I have presented our structure organization PT Wing Surya. Today, I will explain about our sales chart of PT Wing Surya, especially Mama Lemon product in on year from January until December. First, you will see on January Mama Lemon of sold 50 box. On February, close up with 100 box. On March, close up 1,000 box. And March, close up sold on 1,000. On April, close up sold on 1,500. On May, close up sold 100. On June, close up sold 500. On July, close up sold on 1,000. On August, close up sold 2,000. On September, close up sold 2,300. On October, close up sold 100. On November, close up 2,500. On December, close up sold 2,000. Total for 12 months, 16 million box. That's all sales chart of PT Wing Surya. Thank you for your attention. Good morning.